Mrs. Long. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the farm, and I have a really fun farm pop-out book that I want to read with you today, and then after that we'll play our own little guessing game. So, are you ready to get started? This book, you can tell, is about the farm because it has some of the farm animals. Look at this. What is that? Yep, you're right, a pig. And we've got the rooster, and we've got the cow, and we've even got a couple of other things in here that you might use on the farm. So you might have a barn for all of the farm animals, and then of course some of the machinery that they use to make crops and things. So this is called Giant Pop-Out Farm. I'm up early in the morning with a cock-a-doodle-doo. What am I? I strut around the farm protecting the hens' eggs too. Can you guess what it is? What would protect the hens' eggs? And what struts around the farm? Let's find out. A rooster! Is that what you were thinking? Yeah, definitely a rooster. Let's see what's next. Ooh, here's some clues. I am black and white, and you drink the milk I make. What do you think that is? Yeah, where does the milk come from? This is what am I? And I also like to say moo. You got it. It's a cow. That's right, that's where milk comes from cows. I am often painted red. Bales of hay stay nice and dry under my roof. So something that's painted red, bales of hay are under its roof. What am I? When you hear baa, it's because sheep and lambs are in here too. Where do they stay? That's right, a barn. Yeah, that keeps the animals nice and comfortable and warm. Sit on my high seat and go for a ride till the soil, plow the field, and move the dirt. There's some picture clues. Use those to help you guess. What am I? Just look out for any chicks in your way. What could that be? Something on the farm. Something that has steering wheel, plows the field. Let's see. A tractor. Yeah. I bet you knew that already, didn't you? I grow in fields, and my stalks grow very tall. You see this a lot in the summertime if you're driving along the farm roads. I come in lots of colors, pull down the husk and see. What am I? Dry my kernels, then pop me into these. Do you know what happens when you dry kernels and then pop them into that? Where's the popcorn come from? Corn, that's right. Oh, corn is really delicious in the summer and in the fall. Nice and sweet when it's all ripe. I bet you guys have had corn on the cob before, haven't you? I roll around in mud to help my skin stay cool. I wonder who uses the mud to keep their skin nice and cool. What am I? My favorite treats? Potatoes, apples, and corn. Whose favorite treats are those? A pig. Is that what you were guessing? I thought so. Yeah, of course. The end. Were you able to guess some of those items? I think you probably were. So I have another little game that I want to play with you. It's a guessing game that I made up called Guess the Farm Animal. Let's see how many of these you can guess. You ready? I'm going to give you 3 clues about each farm animal, and then you see if you can guess what it is before I show you the picture. Here we go. Let's see. This farm animal is black and white. It walks on 4 legs. Farmers get milk from this animal. What do you think it is? Black and white, walks on 4 legs, and farmers get milk from it. We talked about that in that story. Did you guess a cow? It was a cow. That's right. Excellent. Let's see about this farm animal. It's pink. It likes mud. And its tail curls. What is that? Yeah, a pig. Good job. Oh, this might be an animal that you find on the farm that you might not think of right away. It has fur, it eats carrots, and it hops. So what hops that could be on a farm? Might even be in your backyard too. I know I have some in my backyard. A rabbit. Yep, they hop around and look for food and things. This animal has feathers. It has wings, but it cannot fly very well. Farmers gather eggs from this animal. Where do your eggs come from that you eat? Do you know? Yeah, a chicken. That's right. That's right. We get lots of different things from the farm. This farm animal, it walks on 4 legs, it wags its tail, and it can also be a pet. They can also be very helpful on some farms. Did you guess a dog? Yeah, it's a dog. That's awesome. I see lots of dogs on farms. This farm animal, it can be different colors. You can ride this animal, and this animal's baby is called a foal. Have you heard of that? A baby animal that's called a foal. Did you guess a horse? It's a horse. And yeah, you sure can ride on a horse, can't you? Very cool. All right, we might have to put our thinking caps on for this one. It can be black or white. It has wool to keep it warm, and it eats grass. Can you guess? It's a sheep. That's right. Yep. All right. Now this animal, farm animal, also has feathers, but it's not going to be a chicken like before. It has wings. It can swim and fly. Do you know what it is? A duck. Yep. They like to be in those ponds that are often around farms, so that's pretty cool too. And of course, you know what the duck says, quack, quack, right? This is one of my favorite animals. It has a long tail. It may be many colors, and it has whiskers. Of course, it says meow too. What is it? Cats. Yeah, you guys know this is one of my favorite animals. And they're really helpful on the farm. They often live in the barns, and they help get all of the mice on the farms so they don't destroy the crops and eat the food. I think this is our last one, and it's probably the hardest. So are you ready? This animal has horns. So think about an animal with horns. Its baby is called a kid, and farmers get milk from this animal too, but it's not a cow. Oh, what do you think it is? What else can we have milk from? I wonder. Some people who are allergic to cow's milk drink this kind of milk. You know what it is? A goat. Yep, that's right. Have you ever heard of goat milk or goat cheese? That comes from goats. Yeah, that's awesome. That was really fun. Thanks for joining me for Guess the Farm Animal. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.